diagram, we have 200 Newton, and 1 meter. So, the support we have fixed support here, so vertical and horizontal and also the A. So, summation of fx is equal to 0. Negative 3x plus 400 cos 30 is equal to 0. So we have ax is equal to 400 cos 30. If we total is equal, we can get 346.41 total. Let's proceed to summation of fy is equal to 0. Ay minus 200 times 3 minus 400 sin 30 is equal to 0. Therefore, ay is equal to 200 times 3 plus 400 sin 30. If we calculate this, 200 times 3 plus 400 sin 30, we have 800 Newton. Let's put it to moment. So, moment, MA minus 200 times 1 plus 3 cos 60 minus 200 times 2 plus 3 cos 60 minus 400 times 3 plus 3 cos 60 minus 400 times 3 times 60 is equal to 0. So we have MA is equal to 3,900 and
So, asa man natin nakaw 1 plus 3 sa moment, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3.
okay, ayan, sa 200. Mag-depend na din lang, like dire, 1. So, 200 times 1 plus 3. Ano yung dire?
Yay!
So, zero minus
Karon lang 2 man.
times 2 kaya yan din siya. Yung mo siyang 2 plus 3 cos 60.
So, we have here problem number 2. The truss is supported by a pin at A and a roller at B. Determine the support reactions. So, we have here 5 kilonewtons and 10 kilonewtons. And the distance is, we have 4 meters and 2 meters in 5 kilonewtons. And in 10 kilonewtons, we have here 2 meters and 4 meters. We have here the angle 45 degrees. So first, we will get the moment. MA equals 0 and MB 6 times 6 meters cos 45 degrees. So we have here negative 10 kilonewton. Kaya panahon man sa atin, negative na sa 10 kilonewton times 2 times 6, ano na 60 siya kay namin i-add na pa ang 2 of 4 cos 45 na yan kay ang angle na 45 man yan, right angle or na cosine siya. And next is we have negative 5 kilonewtons. So we have 4 naman yung nagpuna din, so 1 ang 4 ang is equals to ND 8.047 kilonewtons or 8.05 kilonewton. Next is we will get the Fx positive equals 0. 5 kilonewtons times cosine 45 degrees minus Ax squared equals 0. Transpose na to ang Ax. The result will be 3.54 kilonewton. Next is we will get the Fy equals 0. Ay plus 8.047 kilonewton minus 5 kilonewton times sin 45 minus 10 kilonewton equals 0 is equals to 5.49 kilonewton. Ax, we have here 5 kilonewtons. Nakuha na ito tali. Kanya, ang iyang angle is cosine 45 because naman siya yung angle nga ang so, cosine siya, sine minus Ax equals it. Transpose itong Ax equals to 3.54 kilonewton.
What's yung meaning sa NB?
Ang meaning sa NB is
I am Jimmy Cadorna, and today we are about to solve this type of problem. Now, we need to first determine the forces along x-axis and submission of forces along y-axis and find the NV, which is our moment. Now, we need to analyze our problems. First, this is a pin, and this is a roller along a 90-degree angle. Now, our distance is 6 with a force of 4 kilometers, which means this is 2 meters. Now, we need to analyze our problem. There is a 1 kilonewton along the 6 meters from A and 2 meters from B point and have a 30-degree angle as I said. Now, for the solution, our moment is counterclockwise with equals to 0. So the moment is equals to 0. And we cosine A is this one with the distance 8 meters here. NB which is here are multiplied. Our NB is along the z-axis is here. This is our NB. So, moment is equals to 0. NB cosine plus it has an angle of 30 degrees times 8 minus 4 kilonewtons multiplied by 6 meters is equals to 0. So our NB, we need to calculate this all to determine our NB. Our NB is equals to 3.46 and our NB is equals to 3.464 kilonewton meter. And now we need to find the forces along x-axis. Our positive is at the right side. Submission forces along x-axis is equals to 0. AX, which is here, our AX minus 3.46 sine 30, which is our NB, is equals to 0. So, calculate this. And our AX is equals to 1.73 kilonewtons. Now, for the forces along y-axis, our positive is vertical. Summation of forces along y-axis is equals to 0, which is equilibrium. Now, AY that was given here plus 3.46 cosine 30 minus 4 is equals to 0, which is given to us by this area of our problem, which is AY. Now, which is AY is equals to 1 because this will calculate to 1.